Chris here with the No Boss Life channel, the person and channel getting you a little closer to breaking the cycle of the vicious rat race. Yes! This is going to be part one to the secret of making money online, or at least my secret or whatever to making money online. This is going to be part one because I really want to spend some good time on each one of the points I'm going to bring up here. I get messages and emails from people being like, listen, I've been doing what you've been doing. I've been trying to do affiliate marketing for years and years and years. What's your secret? You're not telling us something. What is it that you're really doing that you're not telling everybody else that you're not doing? Well, how are you getting these results? And I have done my best to be very transparent on these videos, or when you plug into the opportunities that I'm involved in and when I send training and things like that. And I'm like, I'm putting everything out here, but it has made me really think, especially this year, what I have been doing that other people maybe aren't doing as to why I'm making the money I'm making. So I thought of 4 points, things that I know that I'm doing other people aren't. And of course, this video is going to target people who are doing like affiliate marketing. That's basically what I do, is I do affiliate marketing, which is promoting other people's products or services in exchange for a commission. So number one, it's very important to me that I find opportunities that I feel can give me a fast return on my time investment, or the time that I'm spending learning and applying what's either being taught in something I joined or some things that I already know, on getting results with an affiliate marketing offer. I don't really like getting with things that I don't think is going to not only make me money pretty quickly, but also is going to last. Or even if it ain't gonna last, okay, something that actually is gonna give me a good return on the time that I'm spending learning and putting energy into this stuff. I've noticed a lot of people just kind of go where the crowd goes. Everybody kind of follows like really big, fancy looking programs. I've just gone with things that really make sense to me, sound simple, and because of how simple they sound, I know that I'll be able to put the work in that I already know how to do. That's gonna make me money pretty quickly. For me personally, the types of affiliate offers that I have done the best with are CPA offers or direct sales opportunities. Right now, I'm really into the whole direct sales opportunity thing. You guys hear me talk about the no limit system. To me, I just think I'm like, why haven't I been doing direct sales opportunities like years before? Maybe because they weren't around, I don't know. Number two, this is a huge one, okay? When I know that I found a good opportunity I know I can make decent money in, or really good money in, I only like to focus on income producing actions on a daily basis. The only thing that, I can't say the only thing, but like, 80% of what you should be focusing on when it comes to doing affiliate marketing is learning how to generate traffic. That's it. If you're with something that has a good system in place or a good sales funnel in place, whether you've created one or it came with one, the very next thing that you have to only focus on, or that I only focus on, is getting as many eyeballs to that offer. That's literally all I care about. There's a lot of people, when I start talking to them about what they're doing to make money online, I've been seeing people put a lot of energy on things that don't really matter. A good example is, I don't know, a domain name. People are always like, I gotta have a great domain name. Listen, if you guys pay attention to me, I don't even have a domain name. I literally don't have and what a domain name is, like a .com. So like facebook.com, I could have like a workwithmarissa.com. People focus on those type of things. I don't freaking care. I mean, like, I probably should have one. Okay, I'm not saying I shouldn't. It looks more professional and everything like that. But what I'm saying is, people spend a lot of time on things that really, I mean, they can make a difference, but I mean, like, you just gotta start pounding the ground with learning how to generate traffic. And there's many of you out there that aren't really focusing on generating traffic, or you do for a little bit, then you stop. I've got a list somewhere on this video of things you can do on a daily basis, okay, to generate traffic. There's all kinds of things you can be doing. Any place that you can get traffic to your affiliate link or your sales funnel, whatever, that's what you should be doing. You know, if I buy training or coaching, it's only from people that I know are gonna show me how to get more traffic. That's it, that's all I care about. So again, for this video, this is the part one video of, the secret to how I guess I make money online. Number one is I only get with opportunities that I know is going to give me a pretty quick return on the time that I'm spending. And when I say quick, okay, I don't mean like overnight or in a week or even in a month. You guys, I set out a goal to make $1,000 a day by the end of 2019, this year. So notice how that is a year goal. Part 2, there should be a video popping up somewhere on this video you can click on to see my part 2 video to why I make the amount of money you guys have been seeing me make on a daily basis. These next 2 points on that video is very important. So I'll see you on that video.